we were talking about Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is the network of physical objects. We can connect devices, vehicles, buildings, or other items embedded with electronics, sensors, software, and network connectivity, like drones, clothes, or appliances, like a washing machine or the fridge. An example of this is when the alarm clock sounds, the coffee machine starts the coffee. All objects are connected by internet. Some examples of this are machine-to-machine, Internet of Everything, World Wide Web, or Skynet. They are the same concept.
The history. Around 2 decades ago, the IoT group is named by Kevin Agustin. He was researching about discover a system to connect objects of the physical world to the internet using many kinds of sensors. His principal objective was make easier to companies the control of their machines and mechanics without the need of the human assistant. But he say a bottle of water or a smart bikini are not Internet of Things. He believed IoT could turn the world into data that could be used to make macro decisions on resources utilization. The information is a great way to reduce waste and increase efficiency. And now, how it works. Through a personalized hardware, the device can connect to internet, program events, measure statistics, and follow an order or a to-do list of tasks previously programmed. Millions of these objects will have a unique IP direction using IPv6. The IP direction allows identify it. This connection either allows to the device or object send collect information or measuring of how the user uses the device at a remote server, like Google ones.
We can say the hardware with the sensor and send data to the server, and we can visualize with the cell phone. Okay, now the advantages or the applications of this. Okay, the researchers are looking for make the quotidian things, the daily things, more sensitive or more interactive as possible, making much applications like daily ones, like the fridge could report the due date of the food, the toothbrush can detect dental caries, the washing machine can alarm when the wash is finished, smart parking to the cars, and the smart home can send you report to buy groceries.
Is that what we call a smart home?
Yes, the smart homes and the smart cities.
I would like to have a smart home.
Yes.
Nice.
But it's danger, we will see that.
Oh yes, okay, let me see.
Some more useful applications of this are a sensor. There are many healthcare uses, like analyze your urine or more aspects of the body. It can be to use in smart cities to more efficient to manage more efficient the resources, of the city, or like in the smart schools.
Do we have smart school in the world?
I think in the first
Or
word,
smart cities?
the smart cities, yes.
Where?
There are many sensors in the cities to, for example, the garbage cans,
Yeah, I
the
understand.
garbage cans can take sensors, and these can send data to the garbage collector, to the government, to the manufacturing plants, and to the recycling plants.
Wow.
And in that way, they can collect or control, yes, the garbage more efficiently, yes.
Yeah, great, thank you.
One of the principal challenges is the loss of our privacy, because we will providing information constantly that could be hacked or worse. Our home could be hacked and other person take the control of everything in our house. Another disadvantage is the high cost of the device.
Yes, yes.
Well, conclusion is nowadays all kind of systems made by the hand of man have vulnerabilities, and they are people to exploit that vulnerabilities. So we can take care to what we upload to internet or what we share in the network. So we can just be the essential information, know our lives in the internet. So it's a fact that the internet is absorbing us more and more day to day.
Okay, thank you.